Hey guys, this is Alrighty Then. Today's video will be a review of the Ulanzi VL49. It's a 200 milliamp battery, limited white version. They do make one of these that has different colors, but this one is white. I'm going to be using it and attaching it to my tripod, a phone mount that has the hot shoes in it, along with my microphone. So I'm going to be incorporating this microphone and this light onto my hot shoe, and it's all going to be one nice little setup so I can make my my videos. So let's get into it. This is the Ulanzi VL49. That's the back of the box. Is that correct? There it is. So you guys can read it. Okay, perfect. Vlog master plan. All right, they've got this little card. Once you get yours, you'll get your card. Comes with a charger. And this is that USB, the micro, the small USB one. These are the instructions. It passed quality control. That was my quality control manager right there. Quality control. Okay. We got some silica gel. Do not eat this. Das ist nicht gut. All right, so here's the light. It's nice and compact. It's really, really light. Now, a cool thing about this is you have the hot shoe mount here. You have a 1/4 inch mount. You have the hot shoe mount. And you have 4 additional hot shoe mounts. So let's say I had bought 4 of these. I could have had one mounted on the hot shoe, and then I can have another one mounted here, and another one mounted here, and another one mounted here, and have 4 lights shining really bright. So that's something else. That's pretty cool. So here is your on and off switch right here. So you turn it on or off. That's off. That's on. And I'm going to turn off this light so you guys get an idea how bright this is. All right. So this is on the 20% setting. As you can see, the red light. So you can see the desk. Let's have it shine on some random things here so you can see the brightness. So this is at 20, and I'm going to hit this button here to increase it. So this is at, and it goes in increments of 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, all the way to 100. It's pretty bright, and it gives you a nice light. It's not, it doesn't seem like that really bright LED light. It's somewhat warm, but not too bright. But you can see my hand is really bright here. Let me lower it down. That's 80, 60, 40, 20. Okay? Now, if you hit this button here, that tells you the battery life. So you can see the battery's full, and that's at 100%, 80, 40, 60, 20 again. Same thing. Now let's turn it over so you can actually see the light. I think there's a light missing. I think one of my LEDs is bad. You can see there's a little dark spot right there. I don't know if you can pick that up, but there's a little dark spot on this one. But that's all right. It's still pretty bright. Let's make it go again. Wow, overload. Wow, that is pretty bright though. Okay, guys, well, not much more information to give you here. You plug it in right here to charge it. It takes a couple hours to charge, not too bad. You've got your hot shoe mount plus an additional 3 mounts on the side. So you could take 4 of these and put 1, 2, 3 all together and have a really big spotlight for extra stuff. You can even put the microphone on top of it if you want. So if I only had the, had I only had that one hot shoe on my mount for my phone, I could have put this onto the light all in one. So that'll work as well. So now I can put extra stuff. I don't know what, but whatever. Whatever. All right, guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Tell all your friends about it. See you until the next video.